Hi and welcome. Now I can show you how in Speed Freaks for Warhammer game change gamma level. So gamma level, it's fine-tunes the balance between brightness and contrast. So to change it, you should open settings. To do that, just click on the gear icon and click settings. And here you will see gamma level. Cool. So as you can see, it's gamma correction, so it's no impact on performance, but it helps you to reduce troubles between contrast and brightness and saturation levels. So you can try to do some experiments with this setting if you don't like your contrast, saturation, brightness levels, even if you're trying to change these settings too. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.